All right, hello. Today we're in Israel, and the name of this place is Eilat. And over here, we have the water, and that's called the Red Sea. Across the sea is the country called the Kingdom of Jordan, and they are the neighbors. You can walk across the border and go visit, eat out, go to the restaurants. I think every day 1,000 people from Jordan cross into Israel to work in construction and the restaurants and the hotels, and they go back home to Jordan. So we're in the desert and the mountainous area. There's not much for trees. It's a desert. It's dry and rocky. Take a look. So here on the mountain, you can see the view, and you can see our apartment right over there. The apartment with the circular structure on the top, that's ours. And we're on the 11th floor with a view of the Red Sea. It's very beautiful at night with the lights and the boats on the water. So thanks for coming and just looking around the countryside. It's beautiful.